Hi everyone, how are you all doing? So guys, when we were eating dinner this evening, my husband said he wasn't hungry. I never knew he had other plans. I wasn't surprised anyways, because once he eats lunch sometimes, he doesn't eat again before going to bed. But today, he surprised me. So after eating, I went to bathe our kids. Before I got back, I met him preparing this delicious salmon, fish and vegetable. I was surprised when I got to the kitchen. So then we decided to stay with him until he finished preparing this delicious dish. So we decided to sit back and watch TV. But I never knew we were waiting for him to finish cooking so we can eat with him. But we kept watching and just pretended as if we are not seeing what he's doing. But I was looking at him with one bombastic side eye. See, the aroma in this kitchen was giving, it was giving. It got to a time I say, "Show this man, what do they cook when not they done?" So it was then my husband realized that these people, they are waiting for me. So he started laughing. So while we were waiting for my husband to finish cooking, we were just trying to do some things to while away time. My other son was just playing with his toys. What is it called? This Lego, if you know what I'm saying. So my other son too, that is the smaller one, was just playing with his own, scattering everywhere, doing different things. I was just letting them be, because okay, since we are with our daddy and we are waiting for him to finish cooking, let's just do something. If not, they will go to bed. So we had to, you understand, do things to while away time. I want to use this medium to appreciate you guys once again for your birthday wishes, for your support, the likes, comments, and for sharing my videos. I pray for you guys that God will continue to bless and protect you all in Jesus' name. After all these things, I can't tire. I can't tire to the wait safe. If not be long throat when they do me, I not supposed they here they wait for this food. Not be say I never eat before. Now then I asked my husband, say, you they purposely do this thing for not follow you eat this food? So that was when he told us that we should not worry, that in few minutes this food will be ready. So it got to a point I couldn't wait again. My children were feeling sleepy. I had to go and put them to bed. At this time, it was already past 9. From there, I slept off. He was even the one that came to call me. Trust me now. I still woke up and followed him because I said this night I must eat this food. After he come wake me up, una know say when I come out from the room, my husband don't finish everything. Wow. Me, I know say I will still do my own share. After all the time I spent waiting for this food, I did not even taste from it. I don't even see anyone eat at all. See the food now. Wow, this is looking good. This is looking so good. I know it's going to taste delicious also. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to follow us for more amazing content. Until next time, bye bye.